So hi guys, my name is Ritvik. So today I'm going to talk about my employee form, like how I designed it and what programming languages I used and how I designed it, why I designed it. So these all questions I'm going to be answering, and let's get into the video. So I'm going to share my screen right now. Okay, I've shared my screen. Fine. So let's go back here. Okay, so I've already done this, so that's why. And here my form will be, it's loading, and this is my SQL query builder. I'm using SQL developer, so that's why. And yeah, it's loading. 1 minute. Okay, fine. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so this is my form. Okay, so why I've created this form means I've got an idea, like for companies or organizations, like they need a form, right, to store the employee details. Like if they hire an employee and they have to store their details, right, their like address and their salary and their employee ID, all of the stuff they have to store, right? So that's why I've created this form. I did not publish it. It's just my idea. In the future, I'll publish it. And this is my first project. I'm a 13-year-old myself, and I'm and seventh class, and I'm the founder of VR Infotechies. And I've created my first project. This is my first project. So I'm going to show you. So this is my employee details form. Okay, see, all the fields are there: employee details, project sales information, employee project details, and employee project management details. These are the details. Okay, and I've given the fields too. So these are the fields, these are all the fields. So why I've created this, they have to store the data, right? Companies, they have to store the data, right? Like the employee details, I've told you, right? Salary. And for that I've created this form, and in the future I will maybe give it to the companies. Like, there are small startups, right? These are very important, these forms are very important, like for small startups. So they need, every company needs a form because you have to store their data, right? So in the future, I'll be giving the form out to like the small startup companies. I'll sell this form to small startup companies. So that's my idea right now, and that's why I'm developing this form right here. So I'm going to show you like how it works and which programming languages I used. So I've used HTML and CSS for this front end right here. You're seeing right here these fields and this box and this alignment I've did. So I've used HTML and CSS. And for the back end, like for the server side or for the from the back end, like getting this data and putting it into the database. Mine is Oracle SQL, by the way. So for that I've used Java. So when I've entered here some fields and press on the submit button, the Java code will be get executed, and it will store the data into the backend database for the respective fields. So now we are going to see that in action. So I'm going to type employee ID as 567890. Okay, and let's change it here like 45 years. It's and we are going to change here Ritvik Raj 12345. Ritvik Raj and we're going to BN, and yeah, that's it. So total experience, let's give it as 67 years minutes. Okay, and I have given this, so we are going to see it in the backend database here. I'll execute the query. The SQL query is select star from employee details 1. So this is my table name and this is the query. In the next video, I'll talk about queries like SQL queries and all of the stuff. But for now, this is the query I'm going to be using to see the data. Okay. So now we are going to press on the submit button and it's loading. Yeah, sign up done successfully. There we go. See here, sign up done successfully. And when we see here and when we execute this query, I'm running this query right now. Yeah, here it will come. Query result is there right here. So here it will execute the query. Okay, within 5 minutes, fine. Not responding. Let's wait for a few minutes. Yeah, okay, it's running right. Yeah, yeah, okay. Yeah, 82. See here. See, 567890. We have updated right, and 67 years as total experience. And if we scroll right here, yeah, 67 years. Yeah, this is my employee ID and total experience I've kept as 67 years, right? And EMP name as C. I'll hover over this right now. Yeah, Ritvik Raj Rabeti. And higher education 45 years. I've kept this data right and it's retrieved in the database. So I'm using Oracle SQL developer. So this is an application. So yeah, here see it has saved the data, right? So that's it for my video. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel VR Infotechies and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notifications so that you don't miss out our video. And thank you for watching, everyone. Bye.